Hello, guys. Welcome back to 5ThingsPK. Is your computer getting slow day by day? Apps take forever to open, your files lag, and even Chrome feels stuck. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 simple tricks that can make your PC or laptop super fast. And you don't need to install any paid software. So sit back and let's speed up your system right now. Number 1. Delete temporary files. Temporary files are small junk files created by apps and Windows every time you use your computer. Over time, these files take up a lot of space and slow down your system. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Step 2. Type %temp% and hit Enter. A folder will open. Now select everything and delete it. Don't worry, it's all safe to remove. After deleting, also empty your recycle bin. Pro tip, you can also type prefetch and temp without the % and delete those files too. This small cleanup can instantly make your PC feel lighter and faster. Number 2. Disable startup programs. When your PC starts, many programs automatically launch in the background, even if you don't need them. This makes your system start slower and use more memory. To fix this, Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Step 2. Go to the Startup tab. Step 3. You'll see a list of apps. Disable the ones you don't need on startup, like Spotify, Discord, Steam, or Adobe Updaters. Only keep essential programs like antivirus enabled. Now restart your computer. You'll notice it boots much faster. Number 3. Uninstall unused software. Sometimes we install apps for one-time use and forget about them. These apps keep taking up space and resources even when we don't use them. Here's how to remove them. Go to Control Panel, Programs. Uninstall a program. Check the list carefully and uninstall software you don't use anymore, especially those trial versions or toolbars. They slow down your system badly. Bonus tip. You can also go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps on Windows 11 for the same process. After cleanup, restart your PC and enjoy a smoother experience. Number 4. Clean your disk. Next, it's time to use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select your drive, usually C:, and click OK. Now check all boxes like temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails, and press Clean up System Files. Windows will remove all unnecessary junk and free up gigabytes of space. This helps your hard drive perform better and makes your PC run faster. Pro tip. If you have an SSD, this also improves its life and performance. Number 5. Adjust performance settings. This is one of the most powerful tricks to boost speed instantly. Windows uses a lot of fancy animations and visual effects that look nice but slow down older or mid-range PCs. Here's how to fix it. Right-click this PC. Properties, Advanced System Settings, Performance, Settings. Now, under Visual Effects, select Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply, then OK. This disables unnecessary effects like window animations and shadows. Your PC will now focus fully on speed instead of looks. Extra tip. Also go to Power Options and Control Panel and select High Performance Mode. And that's it. These were the top 5 simple tricks to make your PC or laptop faster, all without using any paid or third-party software. Try them right now, and you'll see your computer running like new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech videos like this. Thanks for watching, and keep your tech fast and smart.